Why is it so hard to look me in the eye? Playing with that cross that's on your chain. I know you only ever bite your lip when it's something you're afraid to say. Is this the last time that I lay my eyes upon you? Is this the last time that I ever watch you leave? This is the last thing I would ever have done to you. This is the last thing that I thought you'd do to me. We said that it would last, but how come it's the last time? I'm trying to hold your hand, but feeling like my hand's tied.